Alright, hey y'all, my name is Cinnamon, and today I will be doing a low slick bun on my hair. This is dry, dirty hair, by the way, so I just need to do something to it for the next few days. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my DIY leave-in in it, and I'm just spraying this all over my head, making sure it's getting in there. I'm not letting my hair get too wet, because I do want it to dry. If you do it on extremely wet hair, I feel like it's not going to dry until tomorrow. So I didn't want that, so I just dampened it a little and went from there, and then I started doing my hair in sections. And I didn't do my hair in any particular amount of sections. I just picked a section that was big enough or little enough and started detangling that certain section. I just finger detangled, not that hard. My hair doesn't tangle as easy as it used to, so I don't need much. But then I'm going to use my Denman brush and brush it out. You just want to make sure that you're getting all the kinks and coils out of your hair. This ensures that you're getting the slickest bun possible, okay? So after I'm done brushing that section, I'm going to go ahead and pull that section back into a ponytail and do that for the rest of my head, basically. I'm probably going to speed it up. I'm just doing the same thing all over my head. I'm going to give y'all a little back view of what's my little situation here. So you see, I ain't using no certain amount of parts. I'm just taking it apart, brushing it, and pulling it back. So I'm about halfway done with my hair now, and it's looking pretty good. I am not putting gel on every single part. No, that would make my hair so crispy. My hair is long enough to fit in a slick bun without any product at all. So I'm just gonna put gel mainly on the top of my hair. So let's go ahead and speed through this second half here. For the most part, I am pretty much done brushing my hair. I'm just brushing it to the back, making sure that there's no more tangles going towards the back. And then I'm gonna take my eco style, y'all know, old school eco, of course, and use that to slick it down. And then I'm just gonna take a hard bristle brush. It's not really that hard, like medium hardness. I'm taking this brush and I'm just making sure all the hair is slicked all the way back. The brush really helps to get that slick look. I couldn't do it just with my hands. I do recommend having some kind of brush to get that slick look. And then I'm just going to take an oversized raggedy old headband. This is the only thing that I really like on my hair. It's stretchy, it gives it the right hold, and all that. So I'm just gonna use this band to pull my hair all the way back. I'm also gonna bun my hair with this band. I'm just gonna do it all. I've seen other videos where they tie into the ponytail first and then do some with the bun. You could do it either way. This just happened to be the way I did it today. Put some extra gel on there. Are y'all like traumatized of your hair just not laying down? You just gotta put that extra layer of gel, because that's me. I do not want to take any risks with this hairstyle. I want to make sure that it's sleek and to the point, sis. I know y'all thinking, girl, what you gonna do to that big ass forehead? And that's what edges are for, y'all. Now, I don't really mess with edges like that, but for styles like this, ooh, it's almost necessary, because my forehead is way too big to be pulling it back like this. I envy you small foreheaded hoes, because this hairstyle will not do with just me slicking it back. But I'm gonna go ahead and add some roller coasters of edges on my head to make my forehead not look so enlarged. And then after that, that'll complete the look for the most part. But first, I do want to mold my hair with a scarf. So I will show y'all that process as well. Now I'm gonna take my silk scarf. I actually use 2 scarves to lay this hairstyle down. My silk scarf here, and then I'm gonna use a bandana. I don't know, something about the satin scarves just really help mold the hair down. And then for some reason, I like to press into my hair. For some reason, I think it's doing something. It probably ain't doing nothing, but oh well. And then I take the remaining end of my satin scarf and tie it around the bun. This just makes sure that the scarf is around the part that I really need to be slicked down all the way down. So I don't know if that makes sense, hopefully. And then I'm gonna put on my bandana, and then I will see y'all in about an hour or so. Alright, I am back. It's been about an hour and a half, so I'm going to go ahead and take off my scarves. My hair is not fully dry, but it's dry enough. Y'all will know. My hair did get a little hard, so it'll be fine. Oh. Oh. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? It's too much. I got a little bit of flyaway baby hairs, but it's okay. And a little crustiness, but it's okay. It's okay. Here's a little back view here. Here's the other side. And yeah, that's basically it. This completes this sleek low bun tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Click to subscribe, and peace.